all I needed to hear was champagne toast, $170 value, $40. Thank you. My body dry shampoo. Black Friday haul. Hello, we have fresh Lexi extensions. These are the seamless ones. They're like in 24 inches. They're so good. It is a busy day for your girl. A busy upcoming few days for your girl. It's actually 6:24 p.m. Thanksgiving is in 2 days. If you're seeing this, Thanksgiving has passed. Happy late Thanksgiving. Happy holidays in general. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're almost at the end of the year. Anyway, I just wanted to make sure that I had a video to upload for you guys. So I'm just doing kind of like a random vlog. I'm not going to edit it super crazy. I mean, knowing me, I'll probably end up editing it more than I intend to, but I'm gonna try to make it as low-key and lo-fi as possible. As far as this vlog goes, you can just have me on in the background while you're doing your stuff. You can watch me, you can not watch me, totally up to you. Anyways, my light just went out and I have more filming to do, so let me get back to that. Hello, good afternoon. It's 2:01. I just wrapped up filming a few videos and I have a little bit of time. I'm gonna grab the box that has been sitting in my office for weeks. We're finally gonna put together this rack. It's just under a bunch of other boxes in my office. Ooh. This is how you know I've been busy. My house is just kind of a wreck, low-key. Okay, let's do it. You guys see all my Christmas stuff? We already brought it out so that we can set it up as soon as Thanksgiving is over. I was gonna try to do it a little bit before Thanksgiving, but the way time's looking, I don't know if it's going to allow. We need more light, don't we? I don't know if that's better. This is what she's supposed to look like on it. Fits perfectly. I also changed my outfit because I decided to film this for TikTok. Hello, busted out the little Paris Hilton tracksuit. It's so good. It says that's hot on the back. Why haven't I been wearing this? I have no idea. No idea. I'm attaching these little guys to the back so it doesn't swing off the wall. Okay. Put all my Hot Tools in this bottom shelf and it's literally perfect. I'm gonna put more in the second because these can take it. Should we keep sending it with the hair care? I feel like we should. Okay, here's what we got so far. It looks so good, you guys. All of my Hot Tools are in these two guys. I mean, minus one or two, but these are the ones that I grabbed. These are the ones that I would want out and like, you know, available. So that's perfect. Still on the fence on if I want to keep my brushes here or not, but I just kind of put them in here for now because they do take up a lot of space in these drawers, which is where they were. So popped those there. My Lexi hair extensions fit perfectly, which is so nice because these are such like an awkward shape. I always have such a hard time finding a place for these. They're usually just like taking up space on this freaking chaotic vanity. It obviously got worse, but anyway, leaving these here for sure. I'm unsure what to do with like all of these, but I'm gonna figure it out. I decided I'm gonna move all of my hair care, which is on this wall, and move it to these shelves. I'm gonna do a little switcheroo. Look at this. I cannot tell you how happy this makes me. So I ended up doing most of my hair care up top on the shelf here, then fragrances, my serums, and then the rest of my skincare. Then for this gorgeous girl, the newest member to the family, I have just like excess moisturizers and masks up here. My glasses, which I desperately needed a place for. My body butters, tattoo gel, all that kind of stuff. A whole section for my scrunchies, which this could easily become a section for something else. Finally, I have a place for my freaking LED mask. This was always an issue for me. My little Kitsch hair perfumes there too. And then I have my Lexi hair extensions. Boom, boom. Another set of extensions down here from TikTok shop. Dry shampoos, face masks, scalp brushes, body brush, my Hot Tools, and heatless curlers. I am so happy about this. And I'm happy we got to do it together. Now this vlog will probably be less boring, but I do need to get ready now. Hopefully my makeup still looks okay. I'm not obsessed with it today, to be completely honest with you, but I'm gonna have to try to salvage it because I need to get ready to head out. Mason and I are gonna go walk around the town. We have a really cute little street in our town. It's like the downtown area. I don't know. It's very cute. It's like old. So we're gonna go get some wine, hang out, maybe get an appetizer or whatever. Okay, fit check, because I actually love this outfit. This light's dying, so I'll have to be quick. Okay, I was unsure about the shorts. They were a somewhat failed DIY project. Sorry, the lighting sucks. This is what I'm gonna throw on when I get chilly. And then I'm using the Chanel for the bag, which I actually need to switch over all of my cards really quick. She's cute. She's comfy to walk around in too. But the thing is, I just threw this on to see if the outfit works. It did, first try. Can you believe it? But I didn't put socks on, so gotta do that. And then I'll see you guys out and about. We came to this wine bar. It's honestly so cute, but it's kind of dead. There's like no one here. So we're just having a quick little glass of wine and we might go somewhere else and then we might go back home. I think we're gonna rent a movie off Amazon, cozy back up at the house, take my makeup off. That always sounds nice. Awesome. Thank you. Beautiful. You as well. Thank you. For Christmas. Girl, I'm not gonna hold you. It's been a few days. Girl, it's a whole new month. It's December 2nd. What have I been up to, you ask? Well, of course, we had the holiday. Nothing much to report there. Just enjoyed the holiday weekend. Got really cozy at the house. Decorated a little bit. You know, did the wifey thing. All that to say, we're back. And oh my God, why did I tell myself this was gonna be like a low-key vlog and I ended up filming so many things? Like, I hope you guys like this vlog because if you do, I'll make more of them. Like, it's very easy for me to just like pick up the camera and film as I go about my week. Enough chatting. Let's get to the important stuff, shall we? Also, I know you guys are gonna want to know, this top is from Amazon. I will link it down below for you guys. I think I got it in an extra small. I kind of wish I got it in a small because it already is very form-fitting. It's stretchy and it's comfy, but I don't know. Let's go in order of where I shopped. I went into PacSun first because honestly, it's just right near the entrance. So I walked into PacSun. We ended up getting Mason 3 shirts, which is so fabulous. He never buys anything for himself. If you watch my Thrift With Me vlog, we found shirts that are similar to the LL Bean shirts that I like magically thrift for him every time I go to Goodwill. Now we found like a replica at PacSun and it's like PacSun's brand. Anyways, all of that to say, he has those somewhere in his laundry. I'm gonna link them down below for you guys so you can shop them for your man if you want to. But this is what I got for myself. I'm so excited, you guys. I got camo sweatpants. They're so freaking good. Wait, is my phone ringing? It is. Hi, baby. I have wanted camo sweatpants for, no exaggeration, years. These are freaking perfect. I'll give you like a close-up look. It has like all the pretty like different shades of green in there, and then it has the leaves as well. If you don't see the vision, you're just gonna have to understand. Obviously, these are cute to lounge in, but they look so sick with like a little gray baby tee or something. It just adds a little bit of style, a little bit of je ne sais quoi, and obviously like a ton of masculinity, which I love to add to a super girly outfit. Me in a bubblegum pink top and a little white tennis skirt. Like, where's the masculinity today? Nowhere to be found. Mind your business. Love these. These are so good. I'm gonna link these for you guys. I got them in a small and they fit perfectly. I could have done a medium, but they would be like dragging on the floor. And then I of course went into Victoria's Secret. You guys, this was like a real Black Friday. Like, I haven't done like an in-store Black Friday shopping experience since I was like back home in Iowa in high school. Okay, you guys hadn't even heard of me yet. I like lived, slept, and breathed for Black Friday. It was like my version of the Super Bowl every single year. Specifically, Victoria's Secret was the store store that I would like wait outside for. I knew what all the sales were. I would go in, I would get my yoga pants, I would get my favorite fragrances, obviously the new VS robe for that year. Anyways, they always had a tote too, and I ended up qualifying for the tote. All you had to do is spend $100. I mean, it's not freaking hard in this economy. Get 5 things, spend $100. Anyways, this is the freaking cutest thing I ever did see. It's not something I would buy for myself, but I'm so happy it's in my possession. Like, hello? It's kind of giving bridal, but like, she's cute. I love her. She'll be very, very useful. Lord knows a girl can always use an oversized bag. Am I right? Anyways, first thing I got, which is what I needed, a strapless bra. So I just got like a classic little strapless bra moment. Obviously there's straps on it, but they do detach. This is actually from Pink. I'll link it for you guys. It's just like their little push-up strapless bra. That was a necessity. I actually went to the mall with that in mind. Along with that, I am wearing this bra, which is just like a brown regular schmegular bra. I mean, she's cute. She's a Victoria's Secret bra girl. Basically the same finish as the other one you just saw. It's just in brown and it's not strapless. What did I get other than that? Underwear. They were having a 7 for $34 deal. Okay, wait. I got my strapless bra for $23, which is crazy. I got my current bra that I'm wearing, which is the Pink Every Demi. I got her for $22, and then they were having like a 7 for $35 sale with the underwear. So I got 14 pair, and I'm not even joking, girl. Is this like, do you guys want to see the underwear I got? Because I'm going to show you. I'm just going to rapid fire these guys. Boom. These are like stretchy. Had to get at least one festive pair. And guys, it was so thick in there. You know the panty table that you go to? Oh my gosh, it was giving 2010. I was like this. I was getting sweaty, and I had to fight for the small section. This little skinny bitch. Me, a skinny bitch. Cute. The way I'm gonna be throwing away all of the underwear in my drawer now and restart. And you know what? I might make this a tradition. I might just every single year go to the mall on Black Friday now, go to Victoria's Secret and get 2 sets of whatever their sale is. This is the first pair that I grabbed. So cute. Hello. I love how many different styles they have too. Look at the band on this. It's so cute. This is the last pair. The fact that I got those on like serious sale just makes it that much sweeter. You know what I mean? And finally, I ended with a banger. I went to Bath & Body Works. This was another store that was on my list. Because girl, you know me and candles, and if you don't know me now, you know we go together real bad. So initially the plan was go in and get a few candles, obviously, see whatever their big sale was, get the deals, you know? I buy their candles anyways. I'm here to save money. I walk in and it was like literally buy 4, get 3 for free. Or what was it? It was like buy 3, get 3 for free, something. Here are the candles that I got. Sweater weather. I've gotten this one before. Absolutely love this for the holidays. Oh, it smells clean, but it smells like snow. Fresh sage, juniper berry, aromatic eucalyptus, and fresh woods. Yeah. So good. Then of course, you girls know how obsessed I am with champagne toast. Had to go back in there and get another one because I just ran out of my last champagne toast candle. And I don't know what's gonna happen to me if I can't smell this every single day, but it's not gonna be good. I have the same fragrance in a body wash and scent boosters, which I also ran out of. I got this in my last vlog with you guys. I told you I was gonna keep you updated. Yeah, fire, obviously. I got another one. This was on my list of things to get for Black Friday because I knew, once again, I was gonna buy it anyway. Wanted to get the deal. I also ran out of my champagne toast body wash, which for reference, it's been about 2 months since I purchased my last round of Bath & Body Works items. 2 months shelf life if I'm using it often, almost daily. Like, that's fabulous as far as I'm concerned. Anyways, I went ahead and got another champagne toast body wash. I also got another candle, but it's already burning in the living room. It's the apple crisp. And then my final candle. I always have to get a pine candle. It's Christmassy. I'm in Florida, girl. Like, we gotta bring as much Christmas into the house as we can, okay? We gotta trick our minds into thinking it's Christmas time, even though I could have got a tan yesterday. Oh, it smells. I'm like, you smell. You smell? You smell, and I smell. So good, so good. So I get all these items, I had to go up to the front, and the girl's like, listen, I see you like champagne toast. I said, oh, I'm a champagne toast girly. She was like, well, did you see our bundle? I was like, no, like I saw a little sign for it, but I didn't really like look at it. She was like, okay, well, it's all champagne toast. It's $170 value, and you get the tote with it. I'm thinking like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be like 70 bucks. Like, do I really wanna add that on to what I already purchased? Like, this is my 3rd store, you know? I said, how much is it? She said, $40. I said, put it in the bag. She said, do you want to see what's in it? I said, I don't care. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. All I needed to hear was champagne toast, $170 value, $40. Thank you. Thank you. So This is her. Oh my gosh, I feel like I manifested that deal, like dead ass. It was low-key like Christmas when I opened this up when I got home, because like I said just put it in the bag. I didn't even look at what was in it. I didn't need to. Okay. Champagne Toast body lotion. Don't have that. Well, now I do. Thank you. Bath and Body Works. Champagne Toast Fine Fragrance Mist. Also, a moment for the packaging. This is so freaking cute. I love to use a body spray when I'm like post-gym, lounging at the house, or like fresh out of the shower. I always use a body spray. I don't go straight in with perfume. We then have a Champagne Toast body wash, which I already have one of those. Perfect. I use it every single day. I'm gonna need another. A Champagne Toast hand sanitizer, complete with a cute ass little keychain. Y'all know I love a keychain. Like, please, there's a little jewel on it. She just pops straight in here. Ah, she's gonna look so cute on my little wallet. Also, I've been needing a little hand sanitizer. Guys, we're still going. This was the big surprise for me because I just started getting their wallflowers and I love them. I have one in my bathroom, one in my kitchen. They smell incredible and they last, once again, about 2 months. So this screws into a little wall plug-in. Like, get the F out of here. The final item in the bundle, which once again was $40. That's like the price of, you can't even get 2 of their 3-wick candles for $40. But lo and behold, there was a 3-wick candle inside. So now I have 2 Champagne Toast candles on the ready, 2 body washes on the ready. I am up a fragrance mist. Well, you just saw everything. I don't know why I'm trying to tell you. We slayed. I did partake in some Cyber Monday deals, but I'm ending the vlog today. Otherwise, I just won't stop, and then it's gonna take me a year to edit this. We don't want that. Even though I'm gonna be ending the vlog soon, I do want to show you guys my overnight oats recipe because I've been hyper fixating on these overnight oats every single morning. The last 2 mornings, I didn't have them because I didn't have time to make them the night before, so I need them again. Okay, I have all of the ingredients they need to be used as well. So, super high protein, fairly low calorie. Anyways, let's go to the kitchen.